Hello and welcome to this brand new edition of Fast Profits Daily. I am Apurva Sheth and I want to wish you a very happy new year. Now before I begin, I would like to remind you to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any of the information that we publish daily. And I'd also like to remind you to sign up to our newsletter, the Fast Profits Daily, so that you can get instant updates of our videos. And apart from that, you can also read the transcript of the videos that we post here regularly. So now my topic for today is picking the best stocks to trade for the year 2020. Now, a few days ago, I recorded a video wherein I shared views about the stocks Maruti and Eicher Motors, how I'd recommended them a few months ago, and the gains that they generated for my subscribers. Now, these two were not the only stocks that I'd recommended in the year 2019 to my subscribers. At Breakout Profits, I recommended Kotak Mahindra Bank, which generated gains of 9% in 36 days, 7.5% gains in GE Shipping in 22 days, 7.85% in Lupin Limited in just 7 days, 9% gains in Balkrishna Industries in 5 days, and 8.86% gains in Page Industries in 17 days. Now, these are just some of the stocks that I had recommended and they had gone out to become big winners. Now, how did I pick these trades? So there is a very simple 3-step process that I follow. Now, as you can see on your screen, this is the simple 3-step process that I follow. Now, the first filter or the first step which I follow or I use is the qualitative filters. Now, this is nothing but applying fundamentals or picking stocks or only picking stocks with good fundamentals. So, how do I select these stocks? Now, these stocks are from the Equity Master service. So, out of all the services that the Equity Master has and the stocks that they have recommended there forms part of my universe of stocks which I recommend. So, this is the basket of fundamentally strong stocks which I have and I begin with, and after that I apply my visual chart analysis. Now, I am a chartered market technician and I have been using technical analysis for the last 10 years to pick trades and recommend it to my clients and subscribers. So technical analysis helps me in identifying the right time to enter and exit these stocks. So once I have identified these stocks which are good, I later look out at their price action, and in case if I find that the stock is ready to move up immediately, that's when I recommend it and it becomes a top pick. So I recommended it with a target as well as stop loss. So now this is the simple 3-step framework that you could also follow. You can design your own fundamental filters, and based on that you can have a basket of stocks which you would decide to trade, and you can then review this basket every few months or probably every few quarters. So once you have this list of fundamentally strong stocks, you can then apply technical analysis and then pick the best of the best trades. Now, I want to show you today a stock which I have recommended using these exact same 3-step process, and I have recommended this stock to my subscribers not once, not twice, but thrice. So this stock is Nesco. Now, Nesco is a hub of activity for promotions, conferences and events in Mumbai. It is located in the Goregaon suburb of Mumbai. Now, it owns about 3 million square feet of property, and roughly 50% of the property is yet to be monetized. So there's already a huge property out there, and there is also a large portion of the property yet to be monetized, and apart from that, the cash and cash equivalent of the company when I recommended the stock was about 500 billion rupees, which is 16% of the market cap. So these were all the fundamentally strong points that were working in favor of Nesco. Now, the price action of the stock was also pretty attractive when I recommended the stock for the first time in March 2019. So as you can see on this chart over here, the first time I recommended the stock, it was breaking out of a sideways consolidation. So I recommended it in two parts, one at 460 and one at 483, and we closed this stock with gains of about 8% and 13.75% in a period of 12 days to 2 months. So that was the first time that that I recommended this stock to my breakout profit subscribers. After that, from the month of June till September, the stock was trading sideways with the slightly negative bias. So that's when we completely avoided the stock. And the moment I saw it breaking out once again in September after it had finished the consolidation, I recommended it to my subscribers and we closed this stock with gains of about 8.46%. After that, again from the month of September till November, the stock was trading in a consolidation. It was trading sideways, and the moment it break out in November, that's when I again jumped into the stock and recommended it for gains of about 10%. We closed it with at a level of 670, but on the same day the stock had moved at a higher level. About it had went up to levels of 694. So some of our subscribers could have even managed to generate higher gains. Now this is how I picked the best trades, some of the best trades in 2019, and this is also how you could probably even try and pick some trades in the coming year 2020. From at my end, I'll be continuing to use the same process and picking out stocks for my subscribers. So before I sign off, I'd like to remind you to like and share this video with your friends and family. I'm sure that they will find this useful as well. So that's all from my part for today. Thanks a lot and have a nice day.